Okay, now on this test, I'm going to give you a sound. I'm going to say it 3 times, and you're going to have to tell me which of the sounds that makes, the phrase for that sound. For example, if I said, oh, 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 you would say, oh, rowboat, oh. And then I'm going to say what the correct answer is, and we're going to repeat it in unison 2 times. So I'm going to say, yes, that's correct. Repeat after me. Repeat with me. Oh, rowboat, oh, oh, rowboat, oh. And then I'm going to give you another sound. For example, ah, ah, ah. And then you have to say what that is. And you would say, ah, black cat, ah. And then I'll say, that's correct. Ah, black cat, ah. Ah, black cat, ah. Okay, so you get the idea. All right? Are you ready to start? Here we go. E, E, E. That's correct. Repeat with me. 1, 2, 3. E, green tea, E. E, green tea, E. Okay? Here's the next one. Ow, ow, ow. That's correct. Repeat with me. Ow, brown cow, ow. Ow, brown cow, ow. Next one is er, er, er. That's correct. Repeat with me. Purple shirt, purple shirt, Next one is aw, aw, aw. That's correct. Repeat with me. Aw, olive sock, aw. Aw, olive sock, aw. Next one is A, A, A. That's correct. Repeat with me. A, gray day, A. A, gray day, A. The next one is ooh, ooh, ooh. That's correct. Repeat with me. Ooh, blue moon, ooh. Ooh, blue moon, ooh. The next one is ah, ah, ah. That's correct. Repeat with me. Ah, black cat, ah. Ah, black cat, ah. The next one is eh, eh, eh. That's correct. Repeat with me. Silver pin, silver pin, The next one is I. That's correct. Down here. White tie, white tie, The next one is or. That's correct. Repeat after me with me. Orange door, or. Orange door, or. The next one is eh. 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 That's correct. Eh. Red pepper, eh. Eh. Red pepper, eh. Next one is uh. Uh. That's correct. It's right here. A cup of mustard, a cup of mustard, All right, the next one is oi, oi, oi. That's correct. Repeat with me. Oi, turquoise toy, oi. Oi, turquoise toy, oi. The next one is uh. That's correct. It's up here. Wooden hook, wooden hook, The next one is all. And that's correct. It's down here. All. Auburn dog, all. All. Auburn dog, all. All right, good job. Keep up the good work.